Hello, Super Readers! Welcome to Phonics Funland. Unlock the magic of reading. Today we are learning new sounds. These are Group 3 sounds. Get ready to listen, repeat, and read with me. This is the sound G. Repeat after me. G. 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 G for goat. Say it again. G. G. G for goat. This is the sound aw. Repeat after me. Aw. Aw. Aw for orange. Say it again. Aw. Aw. Aw for orange. This is the sound Repeat after me. For umbrella. Say it again. For umbrella. This is the sound ool. Repeat after me. Ool. Ool. Ool for lion. Say it again. Ool. Ool. Ool for lion. This is the sound f. Repeat after me. F for fish. Say it again. F for fish. This is the sound b. Repeat after me. B. 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 For ball. Say it again. B. 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 For ball. Now let's blend sounds and read words. Listen carefully. Aw, f, of. Repeat. Aw, f, of. B, d, bed. Repeat. B, d, bed. Ool, g, leg. Repeat. Ool, g, leg. F, fan. Repeat. Fan. B, g, bug. Repeat. B, g, bug. Ool, g, log. Repeat. Ool, g, log. Great reading! You are super readers! Today you learned Group 3 sounds. G, aw, ool, f, b. Keep practicing and see you next time at Phonics Funland.